And there was an assignment to design a trebuchet. So we have an example of a trebuchet. This is not a junk drawer uh, made trebuchet. This is a kit that we bought from Hobby Lobby, but it still demonstrates the same principles. So we have a lever arm with a counterweight and a slingshot. So we can crank our trebuchet down. You notice we have two levers, one with the weight and one with the slingshot. Crank this down. And if you notice on the end of one of the arms, there's a little pin. One string of the slingshot is attached and the other one has a small loop around it. And you wrap that loop around the end, and then we'll put a small weight. Here we're using just a clay ball. We'll set that weight in here. We will release the trebuchet and it should throw the ball if everything works correctly. So here we go. And there we go. That's how it works.